If you can hang a picture, you can hang your mini blinds in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All mini blinds have the same basic parts: the blind, valance, wand, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an outside mount mini blind. Depending on the blinds you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different. That's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. The first step is to mark where you want to place your brackets. We're going to be hanging the blinds outside the window frame, so the brackets will be attached to the wall above the window. From the top left corner of the window, measure upward and mark somewhere between 2 to 4 inches with your pencil. Repeat this at the top right corner. For our window, we've chosen to mark 2 inches above the corners of the window. Subtract the width of your window from the width of your blind. Our blind is 38 inches wide and our window is 36 inches wide. Since our blind is 2 inches wider than our window, we need to mark 1 inch out from our previous marks. Align the top edge of your brackets with each mark. Use your pencil to mark through the back of the bracket for each screw. Before actually drilling in the screws, it's a good idea to pre-drill the holes to make it easier to put them in. Once finished, line the brackets up with the holes and insert the screws securely. If you have a valance, now is the time to attach the valance clips to the headrail before proceeding. Slide the headrail into the brackets and snap the hinges into the closed position. To attach the wand, push the hook sleeve up toward the headrail, hook the wand onto the exposed loop, and then slide the hook sleeve back down and over the connection. This keeps the wand connected and secure. Next, you'll need to attach the valance slats. Align the valance slat over the hooks. Set the slat into each hook securely. And that's it! Test the blind to make sure it lifts and tilts properly. If you need to remove your blind, raise the blind fully. Remove the slats from the valance clips and then disconnect the wand. Unlatch the hinges with a flathead screwdriver, then slide the headrail off the brackets. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new mini blinds from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help, please see your product's installation guide on our website or just give us a call. We're here to help.